The wheel, a circle that redefined human existence. 5,000 years ago, progress was measured in rock and friction. The first mechanical struggle, overcoming the earth. We began to move faster than the human foot could carry us.
The Bronze Age. Craftsmanship replaced raw labor.
Lighter, stronger, faster.
Then came the spoke. Suddenly, the wheel could breathe.
Movement became a weapon. Speed became art.
Iron and heat, protecting the journey across empires.
The Age of Elegance, a symbol of status. Industrial Revolution. Tension replaced mass.
A delicate balance of wire and air.
8 and 40.
Dunlop's miracle. Riding on a cushion of air.
Pressure, the force that carries civilization.
Mass production, the wheel for every man.
Standardization, every part now had a soul.
The end of wood. The birth of the steel disc. Protecting the core. Reflecting the era. Style meets substance. The golden age of the road.
Magnesium alloys. Space age materials on the asphalt.
Perfect balance. The physics of high speed.
Strength and grip. Marrying metal to rubber. Carbon. Weight is the enemy. Strength is the solution.
Atoms arranged for speed.
Stopping the momentum of 1,000 horses.
Two 2010. The wheel starts to talk.
The end of the puncture. A structure made of geometry. Resilience beyond air. Engineering at the nanoscale. (2026). Removing the axle. Defying the past. Propulsion without contact.
Silence is the new sound of speed.
The final stage. Adaptable. Indestructible. Friction is dead. Evolution is restored.
Join the evolution. Subscribe to ASMR Restoration POV. Every flaw in the stone was a potential failure in the journey.
Preserving the organic. Giving life back to the timber.
restoring the luster of the Bronze Age.
Listening for the truth in the grain.
Heat expands. Cold binds. The ancient secret of the smith.
0.01 millimeters. The margin between smooth travel and disaster.
The chemistry of the road, turning sap into strength.
The wheel became a garment for the earth.
Reflecting the dreams of a generation.
Beauty in the details. The ritual of the weekend drive.
Casting the future. Lighter than steel, stronger than bone. Eliminating the vibration of the universe. Formed in a vacuum. Perfection under pressure. When the rubber becomes one with the track.
Giving the wheel a nervous system.
Unbreakable. The wheel that outlasts the road. Defying the friction of the old world.
Control is now a thought, not a gesture.
Algorithm restored. History is complete. For now.